Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this article, you will learn about the departments of a company and how each one is dependent on the other for a smooth functioning of the company. Let's get started. In the marketplace of business, each department functions much like a vital instrument in an orchestra, contributing its unique element to craft the harmonious melody of profit and success. By having an overview of these departments and exploring how they collaborate, you can develop a deeper understanding of how businesses function in shaping the future of a business. Sales. This department is the bridge between the business and its customers, connecting the two through meaningful interactions and transactions. Sales professionals build relationships, address customer needs, and drive revenue growth. The sales department focuses on directly selling products or services to customers. Marketing. Marketing creates strategies to promote and advertise products or services to attract potential customers. This department acts as the voice of the business, communicating its message to customers. They are like a storyteller, crafting compelling content and plans using creative techniques to attract customers while building brand awareness. Operations. Similar to how engineers design and maintain machines, operations professionals oversee the production process, manage inventory, and ensure timely delivery of goods and services. They work behind the scenes to optimize efficiency and streamline business processes. Optimizing efficiency is critical for maintaining overall profitability of the business. Finance. This department's primary objective is to safeguard the company's financial well-being and stability by making informed and strategic decisions. Finance professionals adeptly manage budgets, meticulously track expenses, and craft wise financial strategies. Human resources, HR. HR is responsible for managing the company's most valuable asset, its people. They recruit, train, and support employees. They ensure that the right individuals are in the appropriate roles and cultivate a favorable work environment where everyone can thrive and flourish. Let's now see how these departments work together. For example, in a clothing retail company, HR recruits and trains staff, ensuring optimal expertise and fostering a positive work environment. The marketing department identifies trends and customer preferences and devises advertising campaigns to attract customers. The finance department monitors sales revenue, tracks expenses, and manages budgets. Sales professionals engage directly with customers, guiding them through purchases and building rapport. The operations department manages inventory levels and coordinates with suppliers for timely deliveries. Together, these departments collaborate seamlessly, from attracting customers to ensuring smooth operations and financial stability, contributing to the overall success of the retail company. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned departments in a business like sales, marketing, operations, finance, and HR play unique roles akin to instruments in an orchestra, harmonizing for profit and success. Sales bridges the gap between business and customers, marketing shapes the brand's voice, operations optimize efficiency, finance ensures financial health, and HR manages the workforce. Collaboration among these departments in a company ensures smooth operations, attracts customers, and maintains financial stability, leading to overall business success. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.